Sending money to Nigeria from your Chase account doesn't have to be a headache. So let's break down exactly how to do it. First, log into your Chase online banking account through the Chase website or mobile app. Make sure you have your username and password ready. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Pay and Transfer section. It's usually located prominently on your account dashboard. Click on it. From the Pay and Transfer menu, select the option for wire transfer. You should see options for domestic and international wire transfers. Be sure to choose the international wire transfer option. Now you'll need to fill out the wire transfer form. This is where the recipient's information is crucial. You will need the recipient's full name and address in Nigeria. Enter the recipient's bank name and SWIFT BIC code. The SWIFT BIC code is essential for identifying the specific bank in Nigeria. Also, provide the recipient's account number. Double-check this information for accuracy. An incorrect account number will cause delays or loss of funds. Specify the amount you wish to send in US dollars. Check the current exchange rate to get an estimate of how much the recipient will receive in Nigerian naira. Be aware of the fees associated with international wire transfers. They will vary. Chase typically charges a fee for international wire transfers. Also, note the estimated processing time, which can typically range from 1 to 5 business days. Review all the information you've entered carefully. Make sure all the details of the recipient's name, address, bank details, and the amount are correct. Once you're certain, confirm and submit the transfer. You may need to verify the transfer with a security code sent to your email or phone, and that's it. You've successfully initiated a wire transfer to Nigeria from your Chase account.